I would like to introduce you to a brand new online course where you can learn to create a humanoid robot from scratch. This comprehensive project guides you through gathering all the necessary hardware components and assembling them to create a fully functional walking robot. Equipped with advanced features, the robot can detect and avoid obstacles autonomously, be wirelessly controlled via an infrared remote, and display all movement activities on the OLED screen. With step-by-step instructions, this course offers hands-on experience in robotics, allowing you to create and control your own innovative humanoid robot. Let me show you the demo of this exciting project. Here are two main reasons why you should take this course. Immediate technical support. We offer prompt technical support services available from Monday to Saturday. Simply submit your query regarding the lecture where you are encountering difficulties, and our dedicated technical support team will respond to you as soon as possible. Full stack developer experience. Through this project, you are not just learning a few coding techniques, but you are actually building a complete full stack project combining hardware and software. This valuable hands-on experience is incredibly beneficial, especially for aspiring full stack developers. The skills and knowledge you gain from this course will be directly applicable to real-world scenarios and could significantly enhance your job prospects in the field of embedded systems and robotics. I have always been a firm believer in learning by doing, and in this course, you will learn what you need to know by hands-on experience. You don't need any special knowledge except basic computer skills to get started with this course. Every one of you comes from a different background, and hence the course is crafted from basic to advanced level with minute detail in every lecture. To make the learning curve easier, the entire course has been divided into 6 sections. Let's take a look at the major topics that will be covered in each section of the course. In the first section, we will explore the fundamental concepts of robotics and get to know about all the hardware components required to successfully build the project. In the second section, we will understand theoretical concepts and principles. We will begin by learning about the main modules of the project which is our Arduino Nano. Then we will go ahead and get to know about the expansion module, servo motor, servo tester, servo driver, distance sensor, OLED display, IR receiver and transmitter. Once we have comprehended the functionality of these modules, we will focus on the pivotal software tool, the Arduino IDE. This IDE serves as our platform for coding and deploying programs onto the Arduino Nano board. The third section will be our testing phase. We will kick off our journey by installing the Arduino IDE and then begin testing our main controller, which is our Nano module. Next, we will proceed by connecting the Arduino Nano with our expansion module. Following this, we will write the code and verify the functionality of our RGB LED. Subsequently, we will test the infrared sensor to ensure it correctly receives commands from an IR remote. Moving forward, we will conduct tests of the distance sensor module and check its value using the measurement scale. Thereafter, we will shift our focus towards testing of the OLED module, and then we will write code to display a specific text on its screen. Continuing with our testing, we will individually test our servo motor using the servo tester to verify its rotation capabilities. Finally, we will conclude this section by testing all the 6 servo motors simultaneously using the servo driver module. In the fourth section, we will first examine the main circuit diagram of our humanoid robot. Following this, we will assemble all the hardware components together and do the wiring to create a fully functional operational robot. In the fifth section, we will thoroughly explore the coding of our humanoid robot. For your easy understanding, we have divided the code into 15 parts. Each part will be explained in detail, demonstrating the purpose and significance of every function employed. Finally, in the sixth section, we will operate our robot using an IR remote, observe its live output, and conclude by summarizing all the knowledge gained throughout the entire course. Each video in the course will teach you new concepts and techniques which you may apply to any of your projects immediately. This course assumes just a basic knowledge of programming, and you can leave the rest to us. I will guide you through each concept, breaking down complex ideas into step-by-step explanations. Don't let technical errors hold you back from achieving your goals. If you ever need help, simply post your question in the question and answer section, and our dedicated support team will get back to you within 24 hours. They are available to assist you 6 days a week from Monday to Saturday. I will also share the complete source code with you so that you can easily replicate the project. All lectures are accompanied by English subtitles, ensuring clear and comprehensive understanding. So join me in this incredible journey into the world of robotics and take your technical skills to the next level. If you enroll now, you will take advantage of this limited time offer at this special price.